G'day Australia, Coram E here. Today I'm at my AudioCom store in Cannington, Western Australia, with our tech Liam, who's doing a little upgrade on a crowd favourite, the BA Falcon sedan. We've got upgrades galore for these. We've got a few proprietary upgrades for these, like our UF1 interface harness to plug and play a head unit in the front. And this has been definitely our most popular car over the years on the website and on the YouTube channel. We've done literally thousands and thousands of upgrades for these cars for you guys to DIY at home, and you've all been making your own car sing. So congratulations. Now, just doing a little refresher on a new product. Hold that up for us, Liam, the speaker itself. This is a cool new speaker from JBL, which will fit in the factory 5x7 inch hole. It's a 5x7 oval speaker in some of the early Fords, in the early BABF. And this JBL speaker is a little bit tricky because it's not a 5x7, it is in fact a 6x8. They've managed to squeeze a little bit of a bigger speaker cone area in the 5x7 inch basket. So that'll fit nicely in the factory hole with the plug adapter that Liam's got in his hand there. That's going to be a plug and play installation to connect the original speaker harness. Point that out for us, Liam, up the back there. That original speaker harness will plug and play with the adapter, plug onto the back of the speaker, and it will drop straight into that fitment location for an easy DIY installation and a kick-ass DIY speaker upgrade for your BABF Falcon. Now, check your speaker size in the car before you order online. Make sure that you have the oval speakers in your BAs. Some of the BAs have oval, some of the BAs have round. Either way, we've got kits available. Write that in the checkout notes and we'll make sure we bring together the right adapters to make everything plug and play to drop straight in for you. Thank you, as always, for watching and taking the time. Hope you learned something today. Click that subscribe button below and come see us in store at AudioCom, Balcatta, Cannington and Midland. Shop online at universalfuse.com.au.